So student, we will start our next topic, that is addition of decimal. So we will learn how to add the decimal by taking the example. The first main thing while adding these decimals is to convert them into like decimal, and all of you now must know what are like decimal. Those decimal which are having same number of decimal places after decimal point. So here I have taken 4 decimal. All of you are seeing 36.4, 273.06, 9.397 and 68. All these decimals you have to add. First I have converted them into like decimal. First check out how many decimal places are the highest one after decimal. 3 decimal places here, 9.397, it is having 3 decimal places. So making all of the remaining decimal having 3 decimal places. So we can write 36.4 as 36.400, 273.060, it will remain as it is, and then 68.000. So we will perform the addition by simple method of addition. We will write each term below the other term, but you have to keep in mind that the decimal places after decimal point should lie just below the previous one. Just like see how I written 36.400, after that 273.060, 9.397 and 68.000. Now we will perform the addition as we do usual addition, normal addition. 7 will come here, then 6 and 9 15, 5 carry 1, 1 or 4 5, 5 and 3 8, then adding this 6 and 3 9, 9 and 9 18, 18 or 8 26, 6 carry 2, 2 and 3 5, 5 7 12, 12 and 6 18, 8 carry 1, 1 and 2 3, 386.857 is the answer. Next, moving on to the subtraction of decimal. So all of you understood the addition. Now we will move on to subtraction. In subtraction also we have to convert the given decimal into like one, and then we have to perform normal subtraction. For example, 47.56, we have to subtract this from 83.20. First, converting them into like, we will get these 47.56 and 83.20. 83.20 will be written first, then minus sign, and 47.56. We have performed the normal subtraction, and 35.64 is the required answer. Now coming on to the exercise 3b. Exercise 3b. Here in question number 1 I have solved, and remaining questions which I have not solved, you have to solve those questions in homework. These are the 4 decimal numbers. So first, converting them into like decimals. So check what are the highest decimal places in all these numbers. 2 decimal place is the highest. So making all of the remaining one into 2 decimal places, then writing each of these decimal numbers below one another, we will get thus, and then adding will give the answer 40.21 is the answer. Now question number 9 I have solved. This is based on subtraction. We have to subtract 14.79 from 72.43. See here both the decimals are already in like form, so we have to just write it down 72.43, and below it we have written 14.7. We have performed the normal subtraction, and we will get the answer 57.64. Next, coming on to one of the language problem, question number 18. What is to be added to 63.58 to get 92? That means you have to find what number should be added to this number so that the result is 92. So according to question, let x be added to this number. So what is the equation? X plus 63.5, that will give us 92. So x will be equal to, when this will move to right hand side, we will get 92.00 minus 63.58. Okay, then we have written 92.00 and below it we have written 63.5. We performed normal subtraction and we get 28.42 as answer. 28.42 as answer. Next topic is multiplication of decimal. In this we will learn how to multiply two decimal numbers. It can be further classified in three cases. Case 1 is multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. See here, I have shown here by taking the example that if a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000, then the decimal point is shifted on right hand side. For example, here it is multiplied by 10, then this decimal point will move 1 point in right side. So what we get? 672.4. Similarly, 67.24, we have multiplied it by 100, then it will move right side by 2 points. We will get 6724 as answer. Similarly, 67.24 is multiplied by 1000. The decimal point will shift 3 points to the right. We will get 67240 as our answer. Decimal point shifts to right. Case number second is multiplication of decimal by whole number. Here 5.43 is multiplied by 15. So whenever we have to multiply a decimal number by a whole number, simply multiply the numbers by removing the decimal point. So I have just multiplied 543 by 15. I have removed this decimal point first and just multiplied. What the result I get? 8145. 8145. Now where you have to put this decimal point? So check, here the decimal point is present at this point, that is after decimal point we are having two decimal places. So from right hand side count two decimal places, 1 and 2. Here you put the decimal point. So 81.4 is the 45 is the required answer. So what I have done, first I have removed the decimal point of this number, multiplied by normal multiplication, and I get the answer. Then in the answer part, just put the decimal after two decimal places. This is the required answer. Next, case third, multiplication of a decimal by a decimal number. Here I have multiplied decimal number by decimal number. Both these numbers are having decimal. Here the decimal point is present after two decimal places and here one decimal places. First remove these decimals point and just multiply these number. What I get? 397872. Now in order to put decimal point in the answer, just count the number of decimal places in both the decimals. Here number of decimal places 2, here 1. So from right hand side just put the decimal after 3 decimal places. So what I have done, from right hand side I counted 3 decimal places, first, second and third. Here I have put decimal point. So all of you understood all these cases. Now solve some of the questions from exercise 3C. Based on that you have to solve the remaining questions. First one is you have to find the product of 73.92 by 10. I have already told, whenever you multiplied the given number by 10, then the decimal will shift on to the right side by 1. So what is the answer? 739.2. Next one is you have to multiply it 0.08 by 100, then it will move 2 decimal places to the right. Here 3 decimal places to the right. 76 is the answer. Next is 5.4 into 16. Remove the decimal point. Normal multiplication is performed and put the decimal point after one decimal place in the answer. Always remember you have to put the decimal point from right hand side. Count the number of places and then put the decimal. Find the product of 7.6 and 2.4. Both are having decimal. And first remove these decimal. Normal multiplication is performed. 18.24 is the answer. Then count the number of decimal places, here 1 and here 2. So in the result you have to put the decimal after 2 decimal places from right. So 18.24 is the required answer. Sixth one is find the product 2.4 into 1.5 into 2.5. Here the three numbers have to be multiplied. So first you multiply the 2 and then multiply the result by the third one. First remove the decimal point. In the final result you have to put the decimal point. First I have multiplied 24 by 15, the result is 360. Then I multiplied 360 by 25, I got 9000 as the result. So count the number of decimal places, here 1, here 1 and here 1. So from extreme right you have to put the decimal point after 3 decimals, 3 places. So 9.000 is the answer. Okay. Next, moving on forward, here 1.2 square. You have to multiply 1.2 and 1.2. Just simply multiply by removing the decimal point. You will get 144 as answer. Then put the decimal point after 2 decimal places. Now coming on to some word problem. Question number 12. Find the weight of 16 bags of sugar, each weighing 48.85 kg. So weight of 1 kg of sugar is given as 48.85 kg. Therefore the weight of 16 bags of sugar should be 48.85 multiplied by 16. You have performed simply multiplication by removing this decimal point, and then in the result where you have to put the decimal point after 2 decimal places from the right. Therefore 781.60 is the required answer. Next one is 16. 1 kg of rice cost 56.80. What is the cost of 16.25 kg of rice? Simply by applying unitary method. All of you know unitary method. You have done in already in previous class. So 1 kg of rice costs 56.80 kg, 80 rupees. So 16.25 kg of rice will cost 56.8 multiplied by 16.25. Removing these decimal point, simply multiply, multiplication it is done, and then put the decimal point after how many places? 3 places from the right. Here 1 and here 2. So 3 places from the right. 923 rupees is the required answer. So we will cover our next topic in next video. Thank you very much.